mountains. It's really epic when you see it in person. Oh, that is nice. All right, guys, we're gonna keep heading out here. Just a quick detour break there. I could almost camp there tonight, but I'm gonna find a different spot here. Beautiful though, beautiful. Look at the mountains. Alright guys, so we are gonna go to this public land here. Oh man, that view though, guys. This BLM land, you know, public land, what you can and can't do. So, okay, right here. Cause a fire other than campfire. Okay, we can do a campfire. Nice. Camping. Okay, look at this. Camping. No personal shall camp longer than period of time permitted. 14 days within the 28-day period. Failed to pay any fees upon arrival at all times. What the heck? Oh, I thought it was free here. Somebody tell me, let me know. Do you have to pay on these campsites? Let me know. Beautiful view though. Boy. Look at this. I need to go use the restroom. Four-wheel drive on. We'll use the restroom. Oh man. We'll use the restroom real quick. This side isn't camping area. Well, guys, I'm gonna have to do some. It's nice. It's a bathroom, you know, nice, decent bathroom to use for being out of nowhere. I'm gonna learn more about that, you guys. This is a recreation site, so you can camp, but I'm not sure if you can actually sleep here, you know? I know the land that is just like, you would think you wouldn't have to pay to camp it, but there's, I don't know. You guys let me know what you guys think. Look at that, guys. I've got some wild horses out here. What are these wild horses? Wow. Oh, they're wild. But they're just right on the street. Right next to it. Wow. Interesting. So we were passing through Idaho. I'm not sure where in Idaho we are. Here, I can show you guys right here. Chalice is next. It's coming up. So, there's a lot of public land around this area. That's for sure. Alright guys, this is our home for tonight. Beautiful view. Look at that. Wow, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. That's a nice view too. Trying to decide. The sun's gonna come up on this side. So I'm hoping we get a nice sunrise in the morning. Oh, look at this stuff. This is awesome, guys. This is awesome. Yeah, on this spot right off of the highway we were coming in. All right, guys, I turned the truck around just to get that view right there. Oh man, that is nice. So tonight we'll be staying here. Get settled in. Look at this view though. I need a picture. I need to get the other camera. Oh my God, this, for some reason, this is the best location I've camped at, you guys, to be honest with you. Like the view side of it, you know? Oh man. They did plow some of it out, but some of these back roads, you guys, I found on Onyx. It's awesome. It is awesome. All right, guys, so let's get settled. Hunker down. We gotta put some more fuel in the diesel heater. All right, guys, so we've been driving for a while, and so trying to find a nice spot to camp for tonight. So we found it right here. So you guys up here. Yeah. So that being said, we're gonna cook some tonight and see what we get ourselves into, you know. I'm gonna get situated here, and yeah. You know, I'm learning a lot, you guys, about where to camp, and just over the week that I've been out camping, and the few weeks that I've been out camping, I've learned a lot, you guys, about the rules, regulations, and what to do, what not to do. You know, I'm learning, and I'm still trying to, you know, be comfortable with where I go in and where I stay out of. Well, I guess when you do stealth camping, it doesn't matter. Socks. What feet. And so, yeah, it's an amazing experience, you guys. This is by far my best site, though. That, like, free roam and just like the view. It's amazing. I know the sunrise is going to be on that side, but it wasn't as great of a view, so I parked to the mountains to get the view when I wake up in the morning. We're going to have a little coffee, make breakfast, stuff like that, you guys. So, oh man, this takes up a lot of room as well, you guys. This water. There's some things that I need to pack and organize, you guys, better. Because I mean, I think what I'm going to do is build a thing here so this doesn't fall off all the time when I'm diving. So, this is amazing, you guys. This is amazing. I am nice and warm, cozy. You guys, I might I don't know. There's a lot of things I need to do to make it more convenient. Oh man, my towel. And get stuff. You can't have it all cluttered in here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna leave that up here so it dries. Yeah. So that, because once it's cluttered and a mess, it's hard to. I don't know, you guys. I like cracklings. I love that, but that's not what we're gonna have. A lot of my food. Oh man. You know what? We're gonna have this. We're gonna have beef stew. Let's do that. We're gonna warm up some beef stew, you guys, on a jet boil. This up. Open that up. Yeah, we're just gonna have some of this. In the can here. Oh boy! Holy cow! That's not good. Yeah, we'll do beef stew here. This jet boil like heats up quick, you guys. It's no joke. That's good. All right, we should be good. She's all warmed up. All right. One other thing we've got is garbage. Yeah, you guys, we are in Idaho. I just left Sawtooth. I just left Stanley, Idaho, and headed east this way. The other one, I don't know what that one was, but the things that you had to pay or something about paying, so I could have stayed there and risked it, you know, but the view was great, but this is better, so yeah. All right guys, so I think I should be able to twist this. Yeah, twist that right off here. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this, you guys, the beef stew, and appreciate you guys joining along my adventure, taking you guys everywhere, camp and cook. Not all the time the view is going to be great, you know, like in the past videos, you know, I camped in Walmart, like I said, and gas station and stuff like that. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes when you can't find a spot to camp in. So yeah, you know what, I'm gonna put this down and just angle this down so it dries this. All right guys, so I'm gonna finish this up and then I'll come back to you guys here.